Ever wished you had a personal data expert at your fingertips? Well, your wish just came true. Meet Google AI Studio, your personal assistant that turns complex data into easy, intuitive solutions. In today's video, I will introduce you to Google AI Studio and show you exactly how it simplifies your data analytics. Let's jump in. Alright, so in order to go to Google AI Studio, just write Google AI Studio, we find it in Google, we go directly here, and then as we go in, we can see the options. We go to stream real time and we go here to share your screen, and then we have two screens, so I will use this one to see what I have. So, hello, hear me.
Yes, I can hear you. How can I help you?
Okay, so now I just have this report. I just received it. I don't know anything about it. Could you give me like small summary about that?
Yes, I can see the report. It appears to be a healthcare data analysis report with various charts and data visualizations. It includes information on total revenue, payments, adjustments, transactions, patients, and visits. It also breaks down the data by age group, physician specialty, and city. Is there a specific aspect of the report you want a summary of?
Okay, so here in the right, I see like some measures that it were already calculated, but I don't understand some of them. So for example, for this one, what does it mean? Could you please help me understand this DAX formula?
Certainly, the measure you selected, total visits, uses a DAX formula, which counts the distinct number of patients from the fact table, that is the table where the data resides. Would you like me to elaborate on the meaning of distinct count?
Okay, so could you explain for me what does divide mean here?
Sure. In that DAX formula, divide means division. It divides the total number of patients by the total number of visits.
Okay, but why here do we have a zero after?
The zero after the divide function is likely an optional parameter to handle cases where the denominator, in this case total visits, is zero. If the total visits are zero, the formula will return a zero instead of an error, avoiding division by zero errors.
Okay, that makes sense. So, are you here? Could you help me understand what does it mean here, this formula?
Yes, I am here. The formula equals SUM D12 D18 D13 minus 1 adds the values in cells D12 through D18. Then it subtracts the value in cell D13. Is there anything else I can help you with?
But why he built this formula like this? So it represents the total cash receipt, but why it's like this?
The formula is built that way to calculate the total cash receipts while accounting for returns and allowances. Cell D13, which is for returns and allowances, is subtracted because it reduces the total cash that is received. Is there something else that I can explain about this formula?
Okay, this is good. So here we have this formula, but okay, so this one we have subtracted 200. So what is the impact here of the $200?
The impact of subtracting 200 from the total cash receipts is that it reduces the amount of cash reported. In this case, the total cash receipts for July is $3,400, but the amount is $3,600 minus 200 from returns and allowances. This also reduces the total cash available in the next row. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it makes total sense.
Great! Is there anything else I can help you with?
Okay. Okay, so I have this data. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see the data in the spreadsheet. It looks like you have sales data for different products organized by year and category. Is there something specific you would like to discuss about it?
Okay, so I know these tables. This is a table, and like I need to do analysis. How could you suggest to do like analysis for this table to understand it much better?
Okay, I can help you with that. To analyze the sales data, One approach would be to calculate the total sales for each category and year to identify trends. You could also compare the sales figures for different products within the same category, or look into the rating column to see if there's any correlation with sales. Would you like me to help with any of that?
Okay, so could you show me how I can create pivot table in this spreadsheet?
Yes, I can definitely show you how to create a pivot table in this spreadsheet. First, select all of the data, including the headers. Then, go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. From there, you can drag the fields to the rows, columns, and value sections to create the desired summary. Does this help?
Okay, so I managed to do something. Could you guide me more? You've now experienced firsthand how Google AI Studio helped me exactly create a clear and insightful analysis using Excel pivot tables. Just a simple example. If this video helped you make your analytics journey simpler, hit like, subscribe for more analytics tips, and let me know in the comments how you plan to use Google AI Studio in your own work. And happy analyzing!